Hey there, how you doing? I don't remember last week we talked about one of the most contagious things is laughing. What if I tell you the second more contagious thing is yawning? Can you hold it if you see somebody else doing? Welcome to another Coffee with Science at Human Behavioral Lab. Hi, my name is Susan Ivitz. I'm a human behavior hacker. Some people hack computers, I hack humans. Do you know contagious yawning get an ancient, deep, and unconscious root of empathy and social bonding? For many years, yawning, bostezo, how they say it in Spanish, is related to give oxygen to your brain and oxygen to your lungs. But no, you know what? It has roots of behavioral approach and behavioral actions. So Holly Melt from the University of Connecticut want to take this to the next level, and what she did is she evaluated kids with autism, and she found out that if during 10 minutes she was yawning every 90 seconds. None of the autistic kids was replicating the yawning when the kids over 2 years old can replicate the yawn. What it says, that is confirming what it says about autistic and adult kids. They can express emotion, they can express micro-expression, they can express body language, but they cannot read and codify yours. But that's related to the empathy and connection with others. Yawning has been in a study for a long time, and we are not the crazy only company who doing this, to the point that Claudia Aguirre did a TEDx talking about why is yawning so contagious, and they come up with 3 theories: mirror neurons, empathy, and primal bonding. Mirror neuron is like if you start scratching your head all the time like this, maybe I'm gonna be doing the same. Empathy, because I'm connected with you, and primal bonding is because I'm gonna be liked by you and I want you to like me back. So they'll come up with the 3 basic. Now, what I found it fascinating is only 3 primals and animals, and between those are the humans who can do yawnings. Humans, chimpanzees, and dogs. Remember how many times they tell you your dog act like you? When I had a dog, like 2 years ago since he died, when I got it, he was really happy and energetic. After a week, he become a couch potato. Why? Because I'm a couch potato. So dogs replicate how humans interact. So that is one of the examples. I was really surprised when I found out why dogs, they look so similar in behavioral wise, like they're humans owners. Now, an experiment done in grown-up adults showed that 40 to 60% of a healthy adult yawn after seeing somebody do it, thinking about it, or even reading about the word yawning. So they can come to the conclusion that it's a primal social bonding process. We're looking at the roots of empathy. Some people says that when you don't yawn, you don't feel empathy, or you're not an empath. Like contagious laughter that we talked last week and contagious crying, scientific has theorized that contagious yawning is a shared experience to promote social bonding. Only to be clear, I prepared this segment, I edited my own video, I was looking for the videos online, not once a yawn. You know why? Because I'm not the kind of empath who's gonna cry with you. I'm not the classic empath. I'm a fixer. So if you see somebody yawning and you don't yawn back, instead to like, oh my god, I'm a psychopath, start thinking, what are you the kind of 3 empaths you are? A fixer, a waif, or a simple empath. And we're not going to extend the subject today, but we're going to talk about the different empath. But what we're going to talking about is we are not the crazy people, the only crazy people doing this out there. just happened that we found a video of a guy who went around the world yawning in public places and see how people get contagious. Yeah, it's more crazy people out there than you think.
Yawn? Yes! What if I could pull a prank around the world? Almost like a magic trick. A prank so sneaky, nobody knows it's even happening. This is something we all do every day. But today, I'm gonna make you do it with the power of a yawn.
Yo, what's up with the yawning, man? You said 15 minutes you've been coming through here like this, back and forth with this yawning.
Trying to get
hand over your mouth.
tired, man. I'm tired.
What's going on,
You go
man?
home and sleep, bro. What are you doing?
I should go home and
You
sleep.
should go home and get some rest or something, man. But you
Spreading germs all over the place, man. What's good, man?
All right,
Go on someplace else and go take that yawn someplace else.